If you are building a personal website, portfolio, or lightweight web app, you have probably heard of Netlify and GitHub Pages. Both are fantastic options for hosting static sites. Both are simple to use, and both are free to start with. But they are not quite the same, and depending on your workflow, one might fit your small projects better than the other. Let's start with Netlify. Netlify takes static hosting several steps further. It is also free to start with, but it adds automation and features that make modern web development faster and easier. You can connect a GitHub repository, and every time you push changes, Netlify automatically builds and deploys your site. That continuous deployment process is seamless and saves tons of time. It also supports a wide range of static site generators like Hugo, Next.js, and Gatsby, so you can create dynamic feeling sites that still deploy as static files. Netlify also includes built-in extras that GitHub Pages does not. You get serverless functions, form submissions, redirects, and environment variables right out of the box. You can even preview changes before publishing with deploy previews, which is perfect when you want to review edits with your team or clients. The dashboard feels modern and polished, making it simple to manage multiple sites and custom domains. Now let's look at GitHub Pages. It is built directly into GitHub, which makes it a natural choice if you already store your code there. You push your website files to a repository, enable Pages in your settings, and within minutes, your site is live. It is simple, clean, and ideal for developers who love a no-frills setup. Because it is tied to GitHub, you also get automatic version control and easy collaboration if multiple people are working on a project. For small static sites, portfolios, or documentation pages, it is almost effortless. GitHub Pages supports custom domains, HTTPS by default, and even Jekyll, a static site generator that lets you use templates and markdown files. That means you can build a blog or personal site without managing servers or build scripts. The downside is that GitHub Pages is pretty limited. It only supports static content, no dynamic code or advanced build processes. In short, GitHub Pages is like a straightforward toolkit. It gets the job done with minimal fuss. Netlify is like a full workshop. It gives you everything you need to build, test, and scale. Both are excellent for small projects, and both make static hosting feel effortless. The best choice depends on how much control and expansion you want down the road. For quick personal sites, GitHub Pages is unbeatable in simplicity. For creative, evolving projects, Netlify's automation and features make it hard to beat.